Okay, hello everyone and welcome back to another video. So in today's video, I'm going to be unboxing a couple of things or just showing you what I got. I do have another bigger Valentino haul coming up based upon the sale they had. And the sale actually is still going on. So if you all haven't checked that out, right now would definitely be the time to buy any Valentino products like a dust collector, e-file, pigment collections, cover powders, liquid, top coats, monitor, you name it, go buy it now because it's on sale. Anyway, so first things first that I got, I wanted to show you all a new sort of gel I picked up, and this is from Charme. I actually took an acrylic, I didn't take an acrylic class. Basically, I was in like a class about designs, and it was recommended that we give this one a try. I actually used it to apply the Chanel logo on my nails, these ones anyway, and it worked really well, and it doesn't feel like it's going to come up or anything. I am happy with how it worked, so definitely feel free to check that out with the Charme. I actually do have a Wildflowers foil gel, and this one is okay, but I could never really get it to work. For me, I don't know what it was like, what's going on with that. I just never could get it to work. But if you are looking for a good matte top coat, Wildflowers does have a really nice matte top coat. And it's the one I like to use. I actually use it on this pinky here. So they do have a really nice matte top coat, but it is a little pricey. You're probably going to be spending about $18. Wildflowers in general is pretty pricey. I also would say check out their bouillon pen if you'd like to use caviar beads, because it makes it so easy to put them on, because it actually has a little dispenser that puts them out for you. So it works really well. So definitely be sure to check out Wildflowers Nail Academy. I don't really recommend this one, but definitely recommend this Daily Charm. Okay. And then also when I was at the nail supply store, I picked up a few things. So this is really going to be filling you all in on a lot of stuff. Now this stuff, I probably won't be able to link it down below, just because I got it at the nail supply store, and I don't know that you all will be able to get the same thing and pay the same price. So yeah, just keep that in mind. So I got some strengtheners because I want to have these like when I do my manicures and like the treatments that I offer people. So I got the OPI, there's all nail envies, but they're just different purposes for each one. So this one is the original version. It's just a strengthener. You can really use this for anything. You just want to strengthen your nails, that sort of thing. And then I also got this one, which is for dry and brittle nails. Honestly, I would use this if someone nails that were damaged after having acrylics, or maybe going to a chop shop and they just really messed their nails up. I would tell them, you know, hey, I really don't feel comfortable doing your acrylics, but what I will do is give you a manicure, and we'll go ahead and put this on your nails, depending on if the nail is actually dry and brittle. Or if the nail is just soft and thin and really pliable, and it really shouldn't be, then I would use this one to help alleviate, make the nail thicker. So definitely these, and honestly, I will say OPI, if you're looking for good treatments, OPI has the best treatments. OPI, honestly, it's a great natural nail care brand, because their gels are really meant for the natural nail. That's what OPI is known for, is natural nails, basically, or a natural looking nail. And I also will say OPI is not going to be the brand you go to for like your acrylics and stuff like that. Really stick with them for their gels and their treatments, because they have really great stuff. And then I will say it's the same thing with Essie. They have really great natural nail like colors for like the regular polishes are really great for the natural nail, along with their gel colors. And I got this color, it's called Cliffhanger. I'm actually on the lookout for another color that I tried when I was in nail school. It was called Suit and Tide, and that was a really cute color, so I really just want to get that one, but it didn't have Suit and Tide where I went. So I had to look out for it, but this is a really pretty color. It's the color that's on my nails right now. Just really pretty, cute for fall. I'm trying to build my fall colors, my fall collection colors, because I don't really have a lot. Also, in case you're wondering, the Swarovski, they're from Michaels. And they actually are having a really big sale in their Swarovski right now. this gold one, it's actually from Blue Street Crystals. Okay. So aside from that, moving on. Let me think, you guys. What else I need to show you? Oh, okay. I remember now. So I picked up this bottle here. And basically I made a barbicide spray. You definitely want to make sure you have a barbicide spray as a nail technician, because like especially right now, if you can get your hands on barbicide but you can't get your hands on disinfecting wipes. And barbicide, the brand does make disinfecting wipes, but they're really hard to find nowadays too. This is barbicide, it's not barbicycle. It's just because I didn't like connect my thing. I probably should do that, but yeah. So definitely want to have this. And the way to use barbicide spray, and you would learn this if you went to nail school, or even if you complete like a barbicide certification class. The way to do it is you would spray it on the table, right? Or even your petty basin, because this is part of the way how you clean your petty basin. If you do a pedicure, but you would put it down on the table, let it sit for about 10 minutes, and then you would come in with a paper towel of your choice. Anyone will do. And then you just wipe the table down to clean it off. But I also just really liked having this on deck anyway. Yeah. And then another thing I picked up, I also got these tweezers. If you saw my probably the second to last video, you would see that I used these tweezers in the red Chanel nail video to put on the little decals, like these ones. So yeah, definitely needed these. They were a little pricey though. I paid $8 for these, and I feel like I could have found on AliExpress cheaper, but it would have taken forever for them to get to me, and I really needed some tweezers, so it's cool. And so I got it at the nail supply store. I honestly went in there with the intention of like, okay, I'm gonna vlog, and y'all, I just forgot. Like, I was so busy, and then I was running late, so I was like, yeah, let me just get out of here. And then trying to think if I picked up anything else when I went. I know I got quite a bit of stuff. Oh, and then I also picked up this bottle here for my Valentino liquid. I have to find my label maker so I can put the label, like to say like Valentino liquid or whatever, on this, just so I can have that written down, like not written down, but my product labeled correctly. And if you didn't know, you should definitely always label your products, for sure. But I bought a bunch of a bunch of Valentino liquids, so I needed another thing of that. Oh, and then I also picked up these items as well. So once again, and you know, of course, my fashion, I was running low on swatch sticks, so I went ahead and purchased some more swatch sticks just to have them readily available for me. And I got 4 bags of 50 this time, so hopefully it'll last for me for a while. But I'm always buying so much stuff, y'all. It's just crazy. So I had to wait to even do my swatching video until I got these. And then I got this because I purchased the powder off of Nailmates. Or no, I'm sorry, Glitter Planet. And it's like a glow-in-the-dark pink powder. And it's going to be for like, if somebody wants a white French tip, it's going to glow like a really vibrant pink in the dark. I saw Steph B Nails, I think that's what her name is on Instagram. I can't remember. But she used it and I asked her. So I'm really excited to get that and use it. Also, in case you guys are wondering, I did cut my nails down. I am actually going to be in the process of building a lot of stuff this weekend. And then also, what I was trying to do, I need my nails cut down just a little bit. It was getting a little, it wasn't even long, like I was going to go out throughout daily life. But with me having to A, build stuff, and then B, still trying to do people's nails, it was going to be a lot. And then my long nails, they kept getting messed up. I was so mad because the gel, I kept filing like the gel off on the side, even though I had gloves on. It was just a mess. So yeah, just keeping them short, but trying to make them cute. I don't know, they turned out okay. It's not like my favorite set, but they're pretty cute. Y'all let me know how you feel about them down below in the comments. Okay. And then, yeah, I think that covers all the stuff I got from the nail supply store. So now moving on into this, I'm going to be showing you all the House of Supply subscription. And actually, some of these items will be going into the giveaway, you guys, that I'm planning for my channel. I'll have more details about it later, but just know. So I'll tell you some things that definitely will be going in the giveaway. Just because I already have a lot of these, I'll probably be putting these Playboy ones in the giveaway. I don't think I have a red one, so I'll keep these for myself, but these I'll definitely be throwing in the giveaway. I already have butterflies, but these came in this month's box. I actually have the same exact pack, so I'll definitely be giving these away. Let me see, do I have the same pack? Yeah, I do. They're just organized differently. So I already have this one that I bought myself. So I'll definitely be putting these in the giveaway. So these are items that will definitely go in the giveaway. They sent me like these little crystals. I will be putting these in the giveaway as well for you all to have. So you have crystal clear, some AB, some silver, and then some gold. Really nice for you all to practice with. These are not Swarovski, but hey, I started out using regular crystals and my clients were complaining. A lot of them didn't even understand the difference until I actually showed them, and now they're hooked on Swarovski. But yeah, and it's always good to have both. I do have both. I usually just reach for my Swarovski more often though. And then I also got these. I will be keeping these though because I do not have any like these. But if I get sent something like this again, then I'll definitely be sure to put it in the giveaway for sure for you all. And then I got some more Chanel stickers. So I got some smaller ones here. I used ones from these yesterday on my nails. And yeah, there's these ones. So yeah, very cute. I will be keeping these. However, if I get more Chanel logos in the next box, I'll be sure, or even any more designer decals in the next one, I'll be sure to give them to you all. Or throw it in the giveaway. So that is all that came in that subscription box. And yeah, so I think that really completes everything about this video. I hope you all enjoyed it. Again, I will be coming out with more details about my giveaway soon. But yeah, so let me know, leave me a comment down below letting me know what you like to see in future videos. I do have a video coming up about gel application, kind of like similar to my primers and the hydrators video. One of you all actually requested that video for me, so I will be getting that out fairly soon. But yeah, so definitely let me know what you want to see in future videos. And then also let me know, have you tried these? Have you tried anything out that I talked about? Are you familiar with the barbicide spray? Have you tried the OPI treatments? Did you like them? Do you even agree with what I'm saying about like the Essie and like comparison to like something like D&D or something like that? So yeah, so anyway, hope you all enjoyed the video and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.